Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to change the Instagram password, and now let's dive right in. Now to change the Instagram password, first open up your Instagram app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to change your password. And from this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon. First, in order to proceed to change your password, tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And again, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons available for us. Tap on that three lined icon, and again on this interface guys, you will be required to tap on the account center at the top, and over here scroll down a bit, you can see the password and security option available for us. Tap on that password and security, and over here guys at the top of the screen you can see the change password button available for us. Tap on change password again and tap on your Instagram account, and over here guys you'll be required to enter your current password. So let's dive right in and enter your current password and enter your new password, and after enter you type your new password. And after guys your current password, your new password and a retyped password are correct, or then after that the change password button will be available for us. Tap on that change password button and then your password on Instagram will be changed. And then guys, this is how to change your Instagram password, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.